Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Way to Learn English. I'm Marco, and I'm here with my good friend Jessica. Jessica, how are you today?
Hey, Marco. Hello, everyone. I'm good, thank you. A little nervous, actually,
Nervous. That's interesting. Why nervous?
because today we talk about how to talk about yourself in English. And that makes many people nervous.
Ah, yes. That moment when someone asks, "So, tell me about yourself," and your brain says, "Goodbye."
Exactly. The brain just leaves the room.
Well, if that happens today, don't worry. We will bring the brain back gently.
Yes, very gently. No shouting, no pushing.
So, everyone listening, relax your shoulders, take a breath, and stay with us. Today is a friendly talk, like always.
Like two friends chatting, maybe in a cafe, maybe on a sofa, maybe in pajamas.
Pajamas are the best learning clothes.
Always. So, Marco, let me ask you something simple. When someone asks you to talk about yourself, how do you feel?
Hmm, now I feel okay, but before I felt scared. I thought I needed to say something big or interesting.
Like a movie story.
Yes, like, "Hello, my life is very exciting."
And then the pressure comes.
Exactly. But the truth is, talking about yourself in English can be very simple.
Very simple. You don't need big words. You don't need long stories.
You only need a few easy ideas that feel true to you.
I like that. Ideas that feel true.
So, let's start very naturally. Imagine you meet a new person.
Okay,
They smile and say, "Hi, tell me about yourself."
that pause is real.
Very real. And many learners think, where do I start?
Yes, and the answer is start small.
Small is good. You can start with your name.
Always a good start.
My name is perfect English.
Then maybe where you are from.
Yes, I am from. Very easy.
And after that, one more thing is enough.
Like your job, or your study, or something you like.
Exactly. You don't need to talk about everything.
I remember one time, Jessica, I met someone learning English, and I asked, "Tell me about yourself."
Uh-huh.
And they talked for 5 minutes without stopping.
Wow.
It was impressive, but also very stressful for them.
Yes, because they felt they must say everything.
But talking about yourself is not a test.
It's a conversation. It goes back and forth.
You say a little, the other person asks something, and you continue.
Like a friendly dance.
A slow dance, not a fast one.
Very slow. So, one thing I want to say to our listeners is this. You are allowed to be simple.
That's very important.
Simple English is good English.
And people understand you.
Yes, communication is the goal, not perfection.
I love that. Communication over perfection.
So, let me share a small story. I had a student named Leo.
Okay.
Leo was very shy. When I asked him to talk about himself, he said only, "I am Leo."
That's a start.
Yes, and I smiled and said, "Nice to meet you, Leo. What do you like?" He thought for a long time, then said, "I like sleep."
Honest and perfect.
Exactly. And we laughed, and the stress was gone.
That's such a good example. Talking about yourself can be honest and simple.
Yes, you don't need to be interesting. You need to be you.
Another thing people worry about is grammar.
Oh, yes, grammar fear is big.
They think, what if I make a mistake when I talk about myself?
And the answer is, you will.
Yes, and that is okay.
Mistakes are part of your story, too.
I once said, "I am boring," when I wanted to say, "I am bored."
That changes the story a lot.
It does. But we laughed, and I never forgot the difference.
So, mistakes can help you remember.
Exactly. So, when you talk about yourself, don't stop because of mistakes.
Keep going. The message is more important.
Let's talk about something very common. Hobbies.
Hobbies are great for talking about yourself.
Yes, because people like hobbies.
And hobbies can be very simple.
Like, I like music, or I like movies.
Or, I like walking. Or, I like cooking.
You don't need to explain everything.
No. You can add one small detail if you want.
Like, I like movies. I watch movies on the weekend.
That's perfect English.
And very natural.
Another thing people ask is about work or study.
Yes, and that can be scary.
But again, simple is fine.
I work in an office. Or, I am a student.
Or, I study English.
That one is very popular here.
Yes, and it's something to be proud of.
Very proud.
So now let's move gently into some helpful ideas, but like friends sharing.
Okay, I like that.
One thing that helps is to prepare a small story about yourself.
Like a short version of you.
Yes, 3 or 4 sentences that you feel comfortable saying.
And you can use them again and again.
Exactly. Practice makes them easy.
I had a small story like that when I traveled.
What was it?
My name is Marco. I am from Italy. I like languages and food.
Languages and food. Very Marco.
Very true.
Another idea is to use the present, not the past.
That's a good point.
Beginners feel better with the present.
I am. I like. I live.
Yes, no need for long past stories.
Keep it now. Keep it simple.
A third helpful thing is to watch how other people talk about themselves.
Like in videos or podcasts.
Yes, and listen to the simple sentences.
Many native speakers also use simple English.
That's very important to know.
Native speakers don't speak like grammar books,
No, they speak like people.
with pauses and simple words and sometimes mistakes.
Exactly. So don't be scared.
Another thing that helps is practicing alone.
Oh yes, mirror practice.
The mirror is a very patient listener.
It never says, your English is bad.
It just looks at you.
And you can say, hi, my name is, to yourself.
At first, it feels strange,
But then it feels normal.
and confidence grows.
The last thing I want to share is smiling.
Smiling?
Yes, when you smile, you feel better. And your English sounds better.
That's true. Smiling changes your voice.
And people feel more comfortable with you.
So, talking about yourself is not only words,
It's also feeling.
feeling relaxed, feeling friendly.
So let's slow down and bring everything together.
Okay,
Talking about yourself in English is about being simple and honest.
you start small with your name and 1 or 2 things.
You don't need big stories or big words.
Mistakes are okay and even helpful.
And practice makes it easier every time.
The more you talk about yourself, the more natural it feels.
Like wearing new shoes.
At first, a little strange.
Then very comfortable.
So now, let's give our listeners a small practice.
Yes, a very friendly one.
In the comments, write 3 simple sentences about yourself.
For example, your name, where you are from, and one thing you like.
Very easy. No pressure.
We would love to read them.
And remember, your English is enough.
Always enough.
If you enjoyed this conversation, you can like this video.
And if you want more friendly English talks, you can subscribe.
And maybe share this with someone who feels shy about English.
Yes, help a friend feel more confident.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
Thank you. Be kind to yourself.
See you next time.
Bye bye, everyone.